Breathe. Breathe out. Very nice. Breathe. Breathe out. Okay. Breathe. Breathe out. Right. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Comfortable?
Yeah.
Good. Hold it. Yeah. Breathe. Breathe out. Just turn a little more. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Relax. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Relax. Headless knee. From the bed. Breathe out. Once again, breathe. Breathe out.
Now this palm was
Okay, comfortable. Really good. Yeah, nice.
never
Good. Straight yoga.
Hi, my name is Adil Danderia and I've come from Borivali. I got to know about Dr. Sudarshan through Instagram, and I've been suffering from lower back pain and cervical pain since many years. Though I had another doctor who I used to go to, and then I wanted to try Sudarshan sir also. My first experience was very good, and I feel very light right now after all the adjustments that was done on my neck and my back and my legs also. So hopefully I feel better throughout the day too and further, and probably once a month I might come back for another session.